Namaste, I am Shalini Bhaskar Pandit from Mangalore, India. Today I am going to show you rail roti, which is very easy and very tasty. Just now I will show you how to make the filling of that roti. For that you have to heat one kadai and pour 2 teaspoons of oil, then put 1 teaspoon of mustard, then asafoetida, hing, then finely cut curry leaves and fry for a while. Then add chili powder to taste. I have taken about 2 teaspoons, then half teaspoon of sugar. Fry for a while, then add coconut scrapings 1 cup and fry nicely for about 5 minutes. That final filling will be like this. It should be little dry. See the masala and coconut scrapings and all. Yes. Now let us keep it aside and let it cool down. Till then we can prepare the dough for the puris. That is, you have to take 2 cups of wheat flour, 1 cup of finely chiroti soji or fine semolina, and 2 teaspoons of oil, salt to taste and water. Just make a dough and knead well, and it should be soft like this. And from that you have to take little dough and make one small puri like this and put little filling and roll it into a puri like this and fry in hot oil. First the oil should be hot. After putting the puri, you just make it slightly lower flame, then fry slowly and it becomes crisp and nice, and this is the finished product. This can be taken for traveling and all, and you can use it, you can serve it as a starter for the parties and for picnics and all. So please try to make this and enjoy. Namaste, I am Shalini Pandit from Mangalore, India. Today I am going to show you one kheer, because now it is Navratri, so I thought of doing a sweet item to offer Goddess Durga. So you have to mix this with the jaggery water and you have to boil it. You have to put that batter, wheat and thin this water, and make like this, and the balls will form. For that, add thick coconut milk, stir. When it boils, add elakki powder, that is cardamom powder and nutmeg powder, and stir it and immediately close the lid, and it becomes, the payasam becomes like this. See, you can serve it hot or cold as a pudding. Hot with hot puris, and if it is cold, serve it as a pudding. Hope you will like this, and thank you. Namaste.